Guys, it's Arini. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you 5 useful Chrome extensions to help you be more productive. I'll be talking more about them. So the first Chrome extension is Momentum. Momentum replaces your Chrome dashboard. Every time you open a new tab, you can customize your dashboard by setting goals and reminders for yourself, aside from daily different background and motivational quotes. This extension also gives you the ability to improve your productivity by tracking with the to-do list, by giving you space where you can write down your main task, and once you are done, you can check them off, which is super helpful. So every time you open a new tab, you will have all your responsibilities staring right back at you. In the bottom, you get a motivational quote every day, which is an extra boost of motivation. That's always nice. You can also track the weather forecast if you just enter your location in the upper right corner. On the upper left hand side, you also have the ability to set links that basically work as a bookmarks. Overall, this is a really great extension for helping you stay focused and productive. And it's also very aesthetically pleasing. I really love this extension because every time I open a new tab, first of all, I see a really beautiful picture. But also I get inspired to get work done and reach my goals instead of watching Netflix series all day. The second one I want to share with you is called Workona, and this basically allows you to create a different workspace, and in each workspace you have your own set of tabs. So when you switch workspace, tabs automatically switch as well. Inside workspace, you can make bookmarks under different categories by clicking the plus sign here, and organize as you wish, so you can quickly open different pages or websites that are related to that workspace. For example, in my everyday things workspace, I have my website and some affiliate website links. I created bookmarks of them separate, so I can quickly open them every day and check my website. Workona is also a new tab extension, so every time you open a new tab, you can see all of your workspace, and there is also a search bar in the middle. So you can quickly Google anything or access your most used website links. So that's the most I absolutely love about it. The next extension is called Doulas. If you don't have two monitors but you find yourself having to switch between pages pretty often, and you want to split your browsers but you find that doing it manually can be very frustrating, then this extension can fix that problem with just 2 clicks. It gives you several ratios to choose from. In the example that I'm showing here is the 50:51, a really great solution for those who only work on one screen. Now you can read an article and type notes at the same time. Another extension I use quite a lot is called Podcasto. So whenever there is a big article, research paper or something on the internet that I need to read, instead of sitting there and reading it myself, I will just convert it to a podcast and audiobook using this extension and then just listen to it instead. So what I love about this extension specifically is that it just sounds the most human-like out of every other text-to-speech tool that I've tried, which is why I love using it so much. And it also offers a lot more control, so you can quickly pause and play and skip to any specific part. You can change the speed, which is really nice, and also choose between male and female voices, and if you want to.
For the seed from which it is made, see coffee bean. For the plant, see coffea. For other uses, see coffee disambiguation. Coffee, a cup of black coffee type hot or ice cold. Usually hot.
Coffee, a cup of black coffee type hot or ice cold, usually hot. Region of origin Horn of Africa, 1. And South Arabia, 2. Introduced
You can even download the audio file and listen to it later, and all of this is absolutely free, which is so nice because I can pretty use it very much every day when I'm multitasking and save me so much time. Another extension I use pretty much on daily basis is Picture in Picture. I'm pretty sure that now you don't even have to download the extension itself because It's now built into Chrome with a recent Google Chrome update. So whenever there is a video that I'm watching on YouTube or any other website, I go up to this little squared shape looking icon and then I just click on it, and that basically turns the video into a small window that stays on the screen no matter what kind of app you are using. So you don't have to be specifically in Google Chrome, it still stay on the screen. And you can kind of multitask and use other apps while watching your video. You can also change the window size, move it around and play or pause the video. It's just convenient whenever I'm doing boring things, so I can kind of watch a video in the background and make it a little more entertaining. So yeah, the most it's not most productive thing but super useful. Next on the list we have Grammarly, and I'm sure most of you guys know already what this is, but whenever I'm typing fast I always make a lot of different random mistakes, and it's so nice that Grammarly catches them. So I'm sure that I'm not sending out client report with mistakes in them. And also if you double click on any word, Grammarly will suggest different synonyms for the word, which is really useful because you don't want to use the same word 5 times in your reports. So that's really great as well, and it just catches many mistakes that I sometimes wouldn't be able to catch me. The last category in today's video, which are my favorite Chrome extension, is Word Font. When you click on it, it lets you inspect a page fonts. It works by recognizing fonts on selected text in Safari. Select some text, open the Word Font extension, and you will get a panel with details about the recognized font. You will see information about the rendered font, its family, style, weight, and size. For instance, I go to my website edgematters.com, click on Word Font extension, which detect the font I used on my website. So it's the easiest way to find out the font information on any web page. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I will see you guys next time. Bye.